Good morning everybody and welcome to Monday's maths lesson. Okay, here are your starter questions. Which shapes have lines of symmetry? What is the approximate answer to this question? Approximate means the same as estimate. There are 20 melons in a crate. The shop had 6 boxes or 6 crates. It sold 3 crates. How many melons does the shop have left? And question number 4, what are coordinates A, B and C? Okay, pause the video. Off you go, please. Welcome back. Okay, which shapes have lines of symmetry? A has a line of symmetry down the middle. B has 2 lines of symmetry. C has no lines of symmetry. So A and B have lines of symmetry. What is the approximate answer to this question? Well, I rounded 499 to 500 and I rounded 392 to 400. So the approximate answer was 100. There are 20 melons in the crate. The shop had 6 crates. It sold 3 crates. How many melons does the shop have left? I can do this 2 ways. I can either say 20 melons in a crate times 6 crates is 120 melons. Then 3 crates of 20 melons is 60 melons. So the shop had 120 melons. It sold 60 melons, so it has 60 melons left. I could have also done instead 6 crates take away 3 crates equals 3 crates, and 3 crates with 20 melons in each equals 60. So either way that you did that would be fine. The answer is 60. And number 4, what are the coordinates? Remember, we always do the x coordinate first. We walk in the house before we do the y coordinate and go up the stairs. Remember, you have to walk in the house before you can walk up the stairs. So, this coordinate C is 5, 3. So C equals 5, 3. B equals 1, 3, and A equals 1, 6. If I was going to make a rectangle by plotting point D, D would go here and D would be 5, 6. Okay, well done if you got those answers right. I didn't ask you about a rectangle. I was just telling you. Okay, today we are looking at calculating perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. If you were to walk all of the way around the edge, how far would you be walking? So I am going to show you how to solve 3 different types of perimeter problems, and then you're going to go and have a go yourself. So, to solve the first one, circle the perimeter of this rectangle. Well, I know that this side must be the same as this side. So this side must be 6 centimetres. I know that the long sides must be the same because this is a rectangle. So the top one must be 7 centimetres. So altogether, 7 add 7 is 14. Add 6 is 20. Add 6 is 26. So the perimeter is 26. Problem number 2. The perimeter of this rectangle is 38 millimetres. Calculate the missing sides. So, I know this side is 12 millimetres, so this side must be 12 millimetres. Easy, okay? But now we need to work out what these sides are. Well, to do that, I need to know that the total perimeter is 38. Then I'm going to take away these 2 sides, added together make 24. So 38 take away 24 equals 14 millimetres. So I know that these 2 sides add together to make 14 millimetres because these two sides, add these two sides equal 38. Now, to find out what each one of these sides is, I then need to halve my 14 millimetres and I get 7 millimetres and 7 millimetres. Okay, let's do one more like that because that's quite tricky. Okay, I'm going to make another rectangle here. This one is your turn now. So your turn. Here is my rectangle. I can tell you that the perimeter is 40 meters. And I can also tell you that this side is 5 meters. I would like you to pause the video now and see if you can work out what all of the other sides are. Off you go. Okay, welcome back. Hopefully you've had a chance to work that out. We know if this one is 5, this one must be 5. Okay, they have to be the same. So now we have, out of our 40 meters, we've already got 10 meters. So I can take those 10 meters off the total perimeter. So 40 meters take away 10 meters equals 30 meters. So these two sides must add together to equal 30, and they must both be the same number. So half of 30 equals 15 meters, and 15 meters. Let me just check that they all add up to 40. 15 add 15 is 30, 35, 40. Yes, they do. Okay, and the third type of problem. Choose two measurements which will make a rectangle with a perimeter of 24 centimetres. Okay, so here I've got 10 centimetres, add 10 centimetres. Two of those sides would make 20 centimetres. Then I would have 4 left to make 24 centimetres. So I could have a 2 and a 2. So if I had a rectangle with sides that were 10 centimetres, 2 times 10 centimetres equals 20 centimetres. 2 times 2 centimetres equals 4 centimetres. And 20 centimetres add 4 centimetres equals 24. Lovely. What else could I try? Let me see. Let me see if my long side is 14. 2 times 14 is 28. No, that would be too big. My perimeter has to be 24. Let me try 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16 centimetres. So then how much would I have left? I'd have 8 centimetres left. No, that wouldn't work. So I couldn't have 2 that are 8 centimetres. Oh, maybe there is only one answer. Choose 2 measurements. So there are my 2 measurements, 10 centimetres and 2 centimetres. Silly Miss Hill, I thought it said choose 2 options. None of the others will work. So 2 times 10 centimetres and 2 times 2 centimetres. They are the 2 measurements. Okay, so today you have some fluency work, some varied fluency work looking at problems like this, this, and this. You can choose whether you do tricky, trickier, or trickiest. Well done and have a nice day.